how to cancel your Amex card. You want to log into your Amex account first. You will go to the Amex website or app and log in with your account. You will then select the card you want to cancel. Click on the specific card you're looking to cancel if you have multiple. You will go to Account Services, navigate to the Account Services or Manage Your Card section, and you will choose Cancel Card or Contact Support. While some cards let you cancel online, others will require a call or secure message. If you're doing this online, you will look for the cancel card option and follow the prompts. And if you're doing it by phone, you can call the number on the back of your card. So check your card and call the number there. Review any outstanding balance, make sure your balance is paid off or set up a plan to pay it. Confirm cancellation, whether online or over the phone. You need to confirm that you want to cancel. Get confirmation. You'll get an email or message confirming your card has been closed. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.